Hello, Terry.
Hello,
Nice to meet you.
nice to meet you too.
Yeah, it's a pleasure to have you here. I want to discuss with you about your performance. You have been working here in this company. Then I want to talk to you about your performance so that you can improve on some areas where you might have some mistakes and keep the same well you did well. So regarding the design quality of your works as a designer, we really appreciate the way you design your products. Then this was really amazing because it has affected our sales and customers are increasing. Yeah, this really appreciable. So another point, it's about uh, efficiency. This you met expectation. Uh, you have been flexible when it comes to changing schedules. You manage to set priorities and change the schedule when it was necessary in order to work effectively with the team. So, which was good. Regarding communication, one of the teammates told me that you are really a good listener, and you participate in the meeting, and you also ask clarifying question in order to have a common understanding with your colleagues, which was very helpful because once you get the directions, you really perform your task well. So keep on that way. So another thing it's about technical readiness. This is about using of the use of software. Um, the use of software is a key element here in this company because it helps to increase the productivity of our sales as well as the customers. So I really appreciate the skills you have in this area of software, but I find that it was very somehow difficult to be familiar with the software used here in our company. So, which I think you deserve to have some additional training so that you can improve and be familiar with these new softwares. Another point about being attention to details. Recently, you work on a design, but when you have submitted the document, your teammate complained that it contained some errors. This led them to revise it, and it took time, which caused some lateness to be done with the work.
But not cutting you short. I
Yeah.
feel like I should get. It would be better if I get more information on that because I just think I'm trying my best to pay attention to what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Maybe if an example or something you can advise to be.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you for the question. Actually, as you know, a graphic design has some text, and previously you sent a document which contained some grammatical errors in the text. Then it the employees at the ultimate uh, spend some time to correct those grammatical errors. Yeah. So next time, make sure you read and proofread those texts inside, and make sure you pay attention to details. It was small mistakes, but I think you can improve on that. Okay. So another thing it's about responsibility and commitment. I really appreciate your outstanding. responsibility and the commitment. You did well. You managed to help your teammates. Uh, I remember Mark, one of your colleagues, told me that you helped him to be familiar with a software, and this had an impact on his productivity because he was successful, really successful. So I think this a commitment that I can encourage you to keep on. Another thing it's about uh, leading. You were really a leader because you take some initiative to help someone who is struggling with a skill, and I really appreciate that all team members appreciate your support and how you take initiative to help them. Um, so as the achievement, I know you've made a different design in the company, which increased our reputation, our company's reputation. But for recommendation, I'd like to recommend you to be more detail-oriented and make sure that everything that is included in your document is clear and understandable for the reader. Yeah. So thank you for taking this time. It was really amazing to have you. Yeah. Thank you.